Hi, I'm Rick Head of T&W Operations, and I'd like to welcome you to a brief video tour of our new RFID integration training cell at the AIDT Robotics Technology Park here in Tanner, Alabama.
I'm Laura Head, CEO and owner of T&W Operations, and today you're going to witness some of the technology and see why we are so excited about this great tool that allows easy understanding of the power of RFID. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and here we go.
Introducing our latest technology, the Expandable Robotic Tower Inventory System, or TIS-ER. This new tower is based on the original Tower Inventory System, or TIS, which required manual or forklift operation. This autonomous robotic system solves that inefficiency. Secondly, during the COVID pandemic, T&W designed the TIS-ER to be a hands-free, hands-off way to provide the cleanest environment possible while maintaining 100% accurate inventory. Finally, the TIS-ER also provides a solution for multi-room warehouses with varying racks and ceilings. T&W answered all three customer concerns with the TIS-ER.
We partnered with OMRON, one of the world's leading suppliers of fully autonomous robotic systems, and coupled with T&W Operations' patented RFID systems, you get unrivaled control of your warehouse inventory without continuous human interventions that also learns as it goes, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the warehouse environment.
You can see how we achieve the varying height needs of our customers.
The tower begins the inventory process by rising to its full height. Next, the tower moves down each aisle in your warehouse, connecting with the TIS software to pull data from the RFID tags and display information including the item's exact location. Once inventory is complete, TIS-ER will return to its starting position. And now we see how RFID can be used in the manufacturing space as well as the shipping and receiving space. The OMRON robot has been configured with a powered conveyor, allowing it to pick up and place containers in different locations. In the first operation, the container contents are being validated against a known content database to ensure the package contains all the items needed for the next operation. Everything expected to be in the box is in the box. Once this operation is complete, the robot retrieves the container via the automated conveyor and proceeds to the RFID portals where, again, the contents are verified without any human interaction. For example, each of the single container contents are verified by the RFID tunnel after packaging by operators. When accepted, the robot retrieves multiple containers and then moves them from the manufacturing to the shipping area, passing through RFID portals. The entire set of containers via pallet are verified prior to storage or moved directly to the truck for shipment. Meanwhile, a manifest is constructed from the portal read results. Again, no human interaction and 100% accuracy.
As you have just witnessed, the technology isn't a dream of tomorrow, but a proven reality existing now. Come and see us at the office in Huntsville, Alabama, or let us arrange a personal visit to the RFID Integration Training Cell.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
T&W Operations. If you can tag it, we can track it.